Hello, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena Belisle. I am the founder, and I'm also one of the reflexology instructors here at the school. Today, we're going to show you where the solar reflex point is in reflexology, and a common closing ritual of foot reflexology is to hold that solar reflex point, and we're going to show you how we teach that here at the school. Now, we usually teach CE credit for the massage, nursing, and cosmetology boards, but right now we're also NCBTMB approved as well, but right now we're just going to quickly show you that solar reflex point. Now, this is our chart here at the school, and we have the solar reflex point. There's slight variations on reflex charts. I don't know if you guys noticed, not all the reflexology charts match. We actually have a magazine article coming out published with this information about why charts don't always match. It will be in the April 2022 massage magazine. I'm not sure if it'll be on their magazine. I know it'll be on their online edition online. So if you want to follow up on massagemag.com, you'll be able to view the different reasons we give about charting and why the charts don't match. We teach that the solar reflex point in reflexology, foot reflexology, is about 1/3 to halfway down the foot. Okay. So it's right underneath the ball of the foot. And it can be anywhere from 1/3 of the way in from the midline to from 1/3 to the midpoint, halfway medially from the midline of the foot underneath that ball. Okay. And I can highlight it. We have the solar plexus here in green, right underneath the lung reflex points. And the black line is the diaphragm. That's depicted on this reflexology chart here. So let me show you what this looks like. We have this pre-recorded for you, and I want to point out a couple different things for you before we get started. First of all, I'm going to use my thumb pads. You do not use your thumb tips. I think that's too pointy. If you want to, you can. I mean, how people stimulate this is entirely up to you, but this is how we teach it here. We're going to use our thumb pads. The other thing that's really important is your other fingers should not be touching the feet. Many times I see people with their hands wrapped around the feet with their thumbs on the solar reflex points, and you're kind of stimulating multiple points when you have multiple points of contact on the feet. So make sure it's just your thumb pads only touching the reflex points. And you'll see me move my thumbs around to kind of feel the point. And I felt it on the client, and I'm pushing in. And you're going to watch me release my hands now, because we just want only the thumb pads in contact. I have maybe a pound or two of pressure, and I'm going to slowly release. I might have the client take a nice inhale. And as I exhale, I'm going to release, 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 release until I'm no longer pressing. The idea and the goal here is that the client will feel like you never left the treatment and you're still holding on to them, and they can still feel your physical presence with that solar plexus foot reflexology hold. And that's a common way how many reflexologists close their foot reflexology treatments. So we hope you enjoyed that. We have many more videos available here on our YouTube station where you're watching this video. If you'd like to see more techniques, and we have some theory here too. We are working very hard right now at expanding our self-paced, pre-recorded training library. So check back with us in a few months. We'll probably have reflexology uploaded as a self-paced course. We publish when we have different offerings available on our social media. We have a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account. And if you look on our website, ceinstitute.com, our social media icons are down here on the bottom. We also have a blog here, and we post a lot more free information and articles beyond what's published. And if you're looking for a specific category of something that we teach before signing up or registering for a CE class with us, you can find the many different categories we've blogged about here at our CE Institute website. So we hope that you enjoyed that. It was a refresher for some of you. If you want to learn more, we're here at the school. We teach live in-person training as a live interactive webinar too. So you have live in person, live webinar, and we will have pre-recorded coming out soon. So there's 3 different ways to learn foot reflexology class with us. And until we see you in a training, be safe.